Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about game loop and that how can you fix it. First of all, there are very simple solutions. So it's full of bug and it's in a beta version. So right now I would like to say that you have to simply follow the steps. That's it. First of all, check if there is any update. What you need to do is press logout from your Tencent game loop. Secondly, click on repair. Or you can click on routine repair and that's it. You don't have to click on any of them, right? Client is repaired. He said restart your game. Now here is the second step that you have to do. Click here, see cache, clean cache, click on it and here you go. Simple. It will take some time, maybe it stucks sometime and sometime it doesn't stuck. So let's wait here. Alright, it's complete. When this will come, click OK, and then you have to do is repair ST. You have to click like 1 or 2 or 3 times on it. Alright guys, so it is now I follow 3 steps and I clean up my Tencent game loop. Press window button, write %temp, then again click it. Select all, shift delete. Alright, temporary files, but you have to clear it for your smoother Tencent game loop. Alright, let's close it, and now I want to show you my setting, that what I am using. It is very important as well. If you are not following these settings, then all the struggle will end in smoke. Alright, so here we have the first one, rendering. You have to click on DirectX. It will take power from your CPU, then a little bit from your GPU. But if you press on OpenGL, it will be on your GPU, but it will not be very stable, but it will be excellent for performance. It just go for it if anything suits you, like this one DirectX and this one. I would recommend only these two. Okay, render cache, enforce global, tick. Prioritize dedicated GPU should be ticked. Okay, this section should be closed. Okay, if you are having like 18 gig of RAM, then you can select 8000 MBs. But if you are having 8, then I would suggest you go for 4000. If you are having 4 core processor, just go for the full one. It will be fine. My screen resolution is 1920 and 1080. You can select according to your screen resolution. So lastly, DPI, as you know, to select it 480, then playback and recording. Alright, done. Let's click on play game. So set on 1080p and HD. If you are having same settings, if you are having i7 4th generation CPU, 16 gig of RAM and a good GPU like 1070, I'm using 1070 or 8GB. It's funny that I'm using 1070 and I'm still playing PUBG Mobile, but I like to play it. So these are the settings that you have to do it. Otherwise the whole procedure will be nothing. The result will be nothing. Alright, let's save it. This is the procedure guys, you have to follow, otherwise there will be bugs, there will be problems. So follow it and let me know in the comment section that you are having less problems after watching this video, or if you are not having less problems or your problems are increased, then also let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye for now. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.